Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Let's get straight into what's new with X Empire. Before we dive in, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. As you can see, the latest update has resumed the mining feature, and everything has been reset, allowing you to start from scratch. Your goal is to accumulate as much balance and hourly profit as possible, and don't forget to bring in friends to X Empire. This video will also clarify a few points from our previous discussion. Last time, we emphasized that you need to make a payment within X Empire to be eligible for the airdrop. This rule hasn't changed. If you don't make that payment, you won't receive the airdrop. I'll say it again. If you don't pay, you won't get anything. Let's take a closer look at the airdrop process. Once you access the airdrop page, you'll see that there are specific tasks required to participate. Without completing these, you won't be able to claim anything. For example, you'll need to link your wallet and send the transaction for the airdrop. The tasks are now focused on connecting your wallet and processing the ton transaction, which is essential for the airdrop. Let me show you. The first task is linking your ton wallet, and without this connection, you won't be able to make any deposits. Moving on, the second task is sending the ton transaction. You need to complete this after linking your wallet to be eligible for the airdrop. During the previous phase, which ended on September 30th, there were more secondary tasks such as sending donations in ton. But now, they've simplified the process. If you haven't paid yet, this is your chance. The decision to pay or not is up to you and depends on your account and activity. To sum up, this payment is crucial to receiving the airdrop. Some of you may wonder whether or not to pay. Well, the choice is yours, but the rules are clear. Mining is the same as before. You log in, collect your daily rewards, and upgrade your cards to boost your hourly and overall earnings. You can still make investments once you reach level 3 or 4, and the process remains unchanged. Now, some of you might ask if it's possible to skip this phase. I want to clarify. X Empire doesn't operate in seasons, so there's no Season 1 or Season 2. If we go back to the airdrop section, you'll see that the main phase for the airdrop ended on September 30th. All your activities are being tracked, and you'll only know your final airdrop balance by the end of October. The official listing is expected in the second half of the month between October 15th and 30th, so keep an eye out. The community's balance has increased too, now totaling $517 billion from the previous $483 billion, thanks to a 5% bonus, which equals $34 billion. Over the next couple of weeks, you'll be accumulating these bonuses. Keep in mind that at any moment, the bot might close again, so this additional 5% is a great opportunity. X Empire has acknowledged that some users who started late might not get significant airdrops or commissions, but this second chance offers you the opportunity to double your balance and claim a larger airdrop. Finally, I encourage you to keep pushing and maximize your earnings. The first phase has ended, but with the upcoming listing this month, there's still plenty of potential. Let's give credit where it's due and keep moving forward. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.